Delivers intense moisture. Instant moisturizing conditioner with almond butter rejuvenates hair with a lightweight, creamy blend of botanical ingredients that provides instant penetration and nourishment for all hair types and textures. Rejuvenates and Restores. Formulated with almond butter which naturally softens and instantly detangles hair, leaving it weightless, silky smooth and smelling great. Seals hair follicles and locks in added moisture. Gentle and non-stripping. Our conditioner promotes healthy hair by using a sulfate and silicone-free formula that can be used daily or weekly. Adds natural shine without stripping. For all hair types. Perfect for women, men, and children with relaxed and natural strands, color-treated hair and those with keratin treatments. Apply and comb through from ends to scalp. Let sit for 3 minutes and rinse with cool water. Design Essentials. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful and confident. With over 30 years experience, trust Design Essentials to empower you to look and feel your best. Every purchase is backed by the Design Essentials guarantee. Enriched with almond butter for easy detangling. Formulated with almond butter which noticeably softens and detangles the hair instantly, leaving it weightless, silky smooth, and smelling yummy. The sulfate-free formula can be used daily or weekly. Our gentle, non-stripping conditioner can be used daily or weekly to soften and add natural shine to the hair. Suitable for those with keratin treatments, smoothing systems and/or color-treated hair. Seals cuticle and locks in moisture, enhance manageability while adding body and shine, can be used daily or weekly on all hair types. Show to use in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Shampoo the hair and towel blot. Step 2. Massage a palm-size amount of almond butter express instant moisturizing conditioner from ends to scalp. Step 3. Comb through, with a wide tooth comb, to the ends. Step 4. Let stand for 5 minutes. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly and style. Heat is optional. Top reviews from the United States. Great moisturizing shampoo. Love the conditioner and found it to be very moisturizing. The scent is decent, nothing special, but the product itself is great.